Ebusia ma mema wakwaba ene no ma yenhwe sene ye be create website and as a blog for free. Enti on sene no ye di nkomo ebedru ahase sene obeto domain ene hosting no. Okay, but ene no ma yen forget with the domain and hosting no. Na yen create free website. Okay. Ye pa ibeto domain na ye dia connect but hosting there yen tohwe. Domain impo no say one person beton so a ejina wa so enti enye problem kra nisan enti no ye ba be use blogger call blogger.com e be bie sa page we say e dey amount blogger.com eye baby we ye google for na kasa dia on google dia omo boa e ma o create website for free any kind of website bia na o be create no sign e hosti for free omo kasa be some domain a o be use okay enti ya no okay enti say o dey ha say ya na we me create your blog no. But I am making sure say one logging into email, Gmail, okay, our computer and so. Until ubemia create. Say our different emails, our computer and so, and I was selected a mobile account. Or be so say, or blog no title bang and or the better so. Media no me fa road to what? Nako nest. Afe our blog address no. It is say ebia yourname.com, kweku.com, kojo.com. Esa say ye ni custom domain na ye pe blogspot for domain no me kire google for domain bi ntino ye bebo ye din no ba kon e de ahye ha ye say be a road to what no man kasa e de omo blog extension no e de aka ho de amaye say road to what.blogspot.com. Okay, so e din we say no enye available nti ma me fa bi nka ho. Okay, road to what gh.blogspot.com. Okay, instead of .com no. E free na mo de amount no. Omo de mo extension na ka ho amount. All right, nti owia no we mia next. Display name no. Memfa road to what enhye ho. No we mia finish. Good. You create a website now no blog no e create. But I was say ye nyama bi e de e ka ho. Okay. Nti opa ma yen view yen blog na yen hwe. Mia view blog no. Good. This will be our echo road to worldgh.blogspot.com. Obehuno say you create such a blog ewo honomo. Okay. Until young close na so enko before say obe sign up to Google AdSense and be approve no. If I show obe here some pages bi say what say ewo website ne so. Share so pa sa pages no. E very important. Say ni nyina ni site ne so a one number is approve or account now. Okay, into sharing some. Alright, into pages no list ewa ha say about us page, contact us page, policy, it should be privacy policy. Privacy policy, site map, any disclaimer. I was so nya sa pages we nyina ewa o site ne so pa cho. So pe say nya Google AdSense approval. We pa cho check no na match no. All right, nti yanko ne yanko creative pages. Open so creative page a me pages ne so. Na emia new page ne so. Nefa o page kono din ne hye ha say. Say bia about us. And say about me. Na etro about wono efa hye ho. Bia road to what is. Okay, this is what trying to be na we mia publish confirm enti me create in kaya na aka no privacy policy no e wo se we create a website no privacy policy enye ade simple bi so betimi imagine na waye enti ye wo bot ho free e bi ho tools bi ho no mo a wonom ebe create o privacy policy no e dia ma enti ma yenko google na yenko search sade no so be o web page no search AdSense privacy policy generator. AdSense privacy policy generator. Na efa we say. Name me away so. Name me a website ne so. Na connect. Fa o website URL ne sha say. Na fa o website ne di ne sha. Na fa I'm an individual no. So we business and so I know select it. Afi what country no select it. We are now connect. Information be na ya oji free o users ho. Bia say oji email ya na waka. Say o request for social media profile information so na waka. Say unye mo bia so a then no we'll go next. Okay, how can users contact for any questions regarding your privacy into ABA by email? Okay, till we are no next. No, I don't want professional privacy policy. Or may charge you for the first one into connect. After or email address shall say or may send the policy in the cost amount. Now a click generate. What privacy policy now are you ready? Into copy ewa. Okay, you go back to your website now. Now emi as pencil icon is so. Name me HTML ne so. Ne paste your ha say. We are mia we so. Ne ko compose view ne so. Or privacy policy na we generating now. Publish. Confirm. Afe yen create disclaimer. New page. Natural title no. Sign call Google BM. Now I search for disclaimer generator. And the same thing, sign paste or HTML name. Now publish it. Confirm it. So you add your pages in area there. And your young pages in and share website no ne menu hono. Okay. It's menu no I am been sure. Set one who I have say no. Also call website be so I na more categories of the site, any pages of the site, Eda baby say, a so I am been so dear son on the soro. Okay, busy the ever hope. And not any menu no. Into my add ye menu. Layout. First of all, no my view your website no. Yen add ye pages no and fengu ye menu honomo. Page list top no. Mia pencil icon our honor. Default page or a home. Inti me add new item so. Now efa item ne she say a about us and not create yaba. Inti about us. Now me save. Next also add a different item. Disclaimer. Inti for ways never add the items in nyina. When say so view site na store pages na insert in nyina no. Eni ho. Inti mayanya sa settings way. Same me pencil icon so. Na a turn way on. Name me save. Call refresh your page no. Say say aba home about us disclaimer any contact us. Afeni aka bi me say obe publish content e dey akọ o website ne so. Enti wona wonim the kind of niche a opese okom. Enti obepe categories under your niche. Say bia okọ in the news niche na ebi obenya local news and as a general news ebi obenya foreign news obenya sports and as entertainment and as showbiz when I win niche and I win categories a opese ewo website ne so enti for example purpose no na men call website we say so na men copy some articles ne bi na men publish it but if I show men copy article na men publish and submit your site na farm Google for say one approve your Google AdSense and farm Enya ade a wono beja tum enti menye men copy and paste article afi so no one trick e wom so ne say men spin article men ma robot bot and rewrite article and farm article rewriting tools bebre ho e dey say be a cool bot e dey say article rewriter any enkai bebre ho but men fa sa tools no and rewrite article Google and approve or article no this up say Google edge wo site ni tum na omo show advert from Google AdSense men yes anima we okoya ye nji wuntum me dem aka kire this up Google AdSense approval trick na na me amount say one kasa tro unique article into yan say what about 20 to 30 articles I cambo mo I was saying na ebro 1000 words okay and sana Google for to me add your site now atom and every article be now so nya between 300 okay echo 300 to 2000 words echo okay yeah you know so yeah sana with me enya Google AdSense approval into there for this example no I mean copy and paste some of the articles na men sure send you paste article ewo blog ne so obemia new post ne so now the title na sha say nti men copy body of the article na we paste you ha obemia label ne so na category ko a sa news now publish no ewo mo no na actually ahye ho nti we no ewo under showbiz opese we insert image a obe use sa we omia so a upload image opama wo image no endi kan ansa na article no ato aso owie bribia no na we mia publish my view. Good. Obi abetumi access your website no from baby a. Ti na no so be fi access o de o link no ma nkrofo na mo bi abehwe o content na ewo o website ne so no. Bia say when nje o website no theme ne ho. Na so pese wo sesam obetumi asesa. Theme no the appearance of the website no. Enti say when nje ho a utumi sesa. Obemia theme ne so. Na wa go through dia wa ha nyina no obetumi use for free. Ohun ye opa na wemia so. Na wemia apply no. Ebeko akwhye previous one no anai. Ena obetumi so use custom theme for it. To say baby to say we say. Okay, theme be to say we say. Obetumi use ebi e de aye o website no. Na anye to say default blogger theme no. Enti no match we no so e wo next video nim. We create a site na wi a fi asese wo publish wo articles. Na mesa back bi mo ho. Na ya hwe kwan befa so a ye be change yen theme no. Na de custom theme abeshem. Na ya san so hwe kwan befa so a ye be submit your site no. E de ama Google Search Console. Ni utimi enya traffic from Google. Nti unu se SEO na one of the best ways a wodi benya traffic. Nti ni ye be san so behwe no na obi ehunu sane ye be de sa adwuma no. Afi ye be san so asua kwan befa so a what the custom domain ebeshe.blogspot.com no anai e de say bia within.com na what the ashare blogspot hosting nemo enti wontua hosting fee bi nemo no domain na obeto sesi ade we no e free forever a obetime use no e wo bebia enti no subscribe to channel na turn on notification bell no na me video bia na wonsa etime aka like video no so ani agye ho a na yen share videos na e de yen enim baako makra for now.